राज्यात ऑनलाईन माध्यम व्हड भूमिका साकारता। या माध्यमांतल्यान जायती ऑनलाईन ट्रान्झॅक्शनां जातात। देखून सायबर गुन्ह्यांवात लेगीत वाढ जाल्या। आर्थिक फटवणूक व्हडा प्रमाणात जाता। अशा वेळार रोकडीच कागाळ नोंद करात। तशेंच 1930 चेर संपर्क साधात, सायबर गुन्ह्या फाट्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यान म्हळे। पळयात।
If I do it immediately, whatever he does, as long as it is within the fine banking channel, we'll be able to stop it. So, I mean, almost all Indian banks, several international banks, this financial intermediaries, they all have been brought on this platform. This is basically an initiative of the central government. So, I4C, that is India Cybercrime Coordination Center, under MHA, they have floated this helpline number which is operational throughout the country. So I think on this note I would also again urge everyone to complain on 1930 immediately whenever they become a victim of cybercrime. No, this is applicable for financial frauds where time is very important factor. Otherwise, social media frauds we are able to handle because whenever it comes, we can respond to it promptly. But this financial frauds, time is very important. Let's say you become a victim of crime, you stay in some place, then you have to go to the police station, write a complaint, maybe you'll consult somebody in between. It takes a lot of time. So immediately give a call. Our people at this police control room, they'll ask questions, they'll fill in the details, and immediately the action begins at the back end. On a similar note, we had awareness program for panchayat, local panchayat representatives, so that they can again spread the information. We conduct such awareness programs in schools. We even had awareness programs for judges and prosecutors. So NGOs, we had awareness program for our own police people. So I mean, we are looking at different age groups and different professional groups, and based on the vulnerability that they might face, we are focusing on such crimes more. On this note, we have also covered, we had a very special program for senior citizens, because senior citizens are again more vulnerable because of let's say not being very friendly with whatever the technical equipment they use. So based on different age groups and population group, we are tailoring our awareness program in a manner in which we can give what is important to that particular age group. So yes, so again, like you said, awareness is the key here, and we are trying to spread awareness as much as we can.
GOA365 खातीर श्याम चारी आणि मनीषा जाधव।